Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. 2024 Update. What's the latest with the Boeing 777X? The much-delayed Boeing 777X faces further setbacks, with entry into service now targeted for early 2025. Extensive certification for its folding wingtips and pandemic disruptions caused the delays. Despite over 300 orders, Boeing must overcome remaining hurdles to deliver this highly anticipated, fuel-efficient, long-haul aircraft. Here's an update on the status of the Boeing 777X as of April 2024. The long-awaited Boeing 777X, the latest addition to Boeing's successful 777 family of wide-body jets, has faced numerous delays and challenges during its development and certification process. Originally scheduled for entry into service in 2020, the program has been pushed back multiple times, with the latest target date for the first deliveries now set for early 2025. One of the primary reasons for the delays has been the extensive certification process required for the 777X's advanced features, particularly its folding wingtips. This innovative design, which allows the 777X's massive wings to extend during flight for improved aerodynamics and fold during ground operations for better maneuverability, has proven to be a complex engineering challenge. Boeing has been working closely with aviation regulators, including the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and its international counterparts, to ensure that the folding wingtip mechanism meets all safety and reliability standards. This process has involved extensive ground and flight testing, as well as rigorous simulations and analyses. Another factor contributing to the delays has been the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, which disrupted global supply chains and forced Boeing to temporarily suspend production at its facilities. The company has also had to contend with the ongoing fallout from the 737 MAX crisis, which has strained its resources and credibility. Despite these challenges, Boeing remains confident in the 777X's prospects. The aircraft promises to be a game-changer in the long-haul market, offering improved fuel efficiency, increased range, and a more comfortable passenger experience compared to its predecessors. With a capacity of up to 426 passengers in a two-class configuration, the 777X is designed to compete with the Airbus A350-1000 and provide a more cost-effective alternative to the larger Airbus A380 for airlines operating high-density routes. Boeing has already secured orders for over 300,000 777X aircraft from major airlines around the world, including Emirates, Lufthansa, Qatar Airways, and Singapore Airlines. These carriers are eagerly awaiting the aircraft's entry into service, as they seek to modernize their fleets and take advantage of the 777X's improved economics and passenger appeal. As Boeing prepares for the final stages of certification and production ramp-up, the company is also grappling with the broader challenges facing the aviation industry, such as concerns over sustainability and the need to reduce emissions. The 777X's advanced engines and aerodynamic design are expected to deliver significant improvements in fuel efficiency and environmental performance compared to previous generation aircraft. Overall, while the delays and setbacks have been frustrating for Boeing and its customers, the 777X remains a highly anticipated aircraft that promises to reshape the long-haul market once it finally takes to the skies. With its cutting-edge technology and improved efficiency, the 777X is poised to become a cornerstone of many airlines' fleets in the years to come, provided Boeing can successfully navigate the remaining hurdles and deliver on its promises. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.